my goodness, people. I don't even have to ask. I caught the goal. You don't even have to ask. Jamaica 1, Mexico 0. A brilliant pass by.
Talk about you and your black then. Explain to me why you and your black today.
At the nation, black pan black. We're dark.
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 Yeah.
That. Nah, man, I lie.
No,
Welcome sports fans, welcome back to this side at Sports TV. I'm Brandon. You'd have seen me in the last vlog where we kicked in Surinam's face 3-1. Yes, it is I, Brandon, the one they call the stir fry boss. So yes, today I'll be vlogging. As a matter of fact, no, today I'll be taking over this side at Sports TV because yes, I think the channel needs some vibes and some excitement. I believe Rush and Jomar can be boring and a bit on the lame side sometimes. So I'm here to bring some energy and some vibes and some personality to the channel. So I'll be running the show today. Yeah, people, it's almost 4 p.m. Match kicks off at 7 p.m. So it's time to head on over to the National Stadium. But people, look here. Look here. And I'm not in a sunshine yellow or a gold shirt. It is simple because I'm in full black, simple because I'm expressing the darkness, the anger and the frustration that I'm feeling as a result of the negativities that are going on within the system or organization. And I hope the rest of the fans, you guys, come out in your blacks so that when you look in the stadium, more for dark up a place for sure. Say yeah, we're dark like the basement because certain things will go on, it don't look good. You get me?
If we get a couple of results, if we start pulling a couple of results together, I'm sure people will come out. Of course.
Yeah, man, black.
No, black straight. Alright, like when I'm in black, I'm gonna talk to him about. Yeah.
Daddy Bowser, fun run.
Yeah,
One love, Daddy Bowser, wrap up.
Yeah, alright. See that him give the prediction. Alright, watch you know. Talk to me about you and your black then. Explain to me why you and your black today.
At the nation, black pan black. We're dark.
Yeah.
Dark.
Yeah.
That. Nah, man, I lie.
So we're just stepping on them face. Straight. You understand?
I'm gonna talk to the other.
Dead. Watch out. Cut off. Head.
Yeah.
So yeah, people, 20 minutes until kickoff time. Here with Emil, you know. So stay tuned, guys, for a fun-filled day. Again, predicting a 2-1 scoreline. 1 from Bowser, 1 from Baller, Leon Bailey. So stay tuned, guys.
There is done music.
Easy, not easy.
Mexico, they also play Suriname on Saturday, and in that encounter down there,
Purchase your track today.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, people! I don't even have to ask. I caught the goal. You don't even have to ask. Jamaica 1, Mexico 0. A brilliant pass by
Shamar Nicholson down the wing. Brilliant cross.
And Bowser left for score now. And just like that, Bale with an amazing header. And not to mention the cross, you know. Oh gosh, man. And then the pass from Rafael Morris, oh gosh. Hey, I like. Fuck me. Yeah. Yeah. Bailey nasty for man a while ago. Baller. As I said, bro, Bailey look like him in the move.
Yeah, man.
You get me? You can see that the accent have an impact on him last game. But the man come out and Bailey's, he wants something up to happen. He look. Guys, every game the Reggae Boys just looks better and better and better. I'm truly impressed. The team is actually playing good football. This looks like a team. This looks like football. Rafael Morrison looks like he's in the mood. Bailey looks like he wants something to happen. I'm entertained thus far.
Yes, guys, it's still Jamaica 1, Mexico 0, but Mexico is starting to stamp their class. It's getting a bit too dangerous for my liking.
Update people, 1-1. Mexico scored from a Fujic almost at the half line. Emil predicted it. It's like he knew.
Right at halftime. It's halftime, people. It's halftime. I mean, I was saying that we were sacrificing too much of the possession and the pressure was building up. And there you go. They scored. The angle and everything from that free kick, I could see it happening.
Easy, not easy.
Pull up that. Oh. Yeah. Atmosphere here. It's good to see so many fans out here supporting Reggae Boys. It's a good look. Score is currently 1-1. Still waiting for the break.
Purchase your track today.
This is That Sports TV. We are here with our captain, Andre Blake. Now, we're happy to see you here back again on our pitch. Walk us.
And your own performance. Tell us about it in the back.
I'm good. Good so far. good so far, but I mean...
Boss, introduce yourself to the fans.
Well, a pleasant good evening to you, ladies and gentlemen. All know that this is Reggae Tiger, the official mascot for the 1998 campaign.
It was very entertaining. It gave me a lot of anxiety. My nerves were really bad and on edge.
Alright guys, we're on our way home now. Still disappointed with the result. Just a reminder, Jamaica won, Mexico won. I mean, let me change my thought. Not really disappointed.
I am disappointed.
Leave it disappointed. I expected the 1-1, but we're so close to getting that. The 3 points, so close.
Literally hit the crossbar.
We had even chances, but yeah, guys. Seems like this is the end of the road with this vlog here. Guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe. And the live, don't let me have to beat, you know. Share the live. So we are work and I'm giving them the sweet content.
All in the rain, bro.
Even in the rain.
All in the rain.
We are getting some video in all in the rain.
Yeah, man, we are putting in the work. Oh, gosh, man.
Yeah, man.
Show some love, no?
Yeah. So as I say, like, share and subscribe. Send it to at least 5 of your friend them and tell your friend them to send it to 5 of them friend them.
The math's not hard, bro. The math's it's not hard.
The math's not difficult, people. Right? So, on behalf of Rush and Joe Mara, who unfortunately couldn't be here, but they were working behind the scenes, they did the live and thing. This is This or That Sports TV, and we're out.